Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Mulesoft Anypoint Studio Cloud Connector Tools, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Mulesoft Anypoint Studio download page. Locate the download link for Anypoint Studio. Click on the download button to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click the file to initiate the installation process. Follow the installation prompts in the Setup wizard. Choose your preferred installation directory and click Next. Select the additional components you wish to install. Click Install to begin the installation of Anypoint Studio. After the installation is complete, launch Anypoint Studio. Upon the first launch, you will be prompted to select a workspace. Choose a workspace location or use the default setting. Once inside Anypoint Studio, navigate to the Exchange menu. Search for the cloud connector tools you wish to download. Select the desired connectors from the search results. Click the Install button next to each connector. Follow any additional prompts to complete the installation of the connectors. After installation, you can find the connectors in your project. Drag and drop the connectors into your workflow as needed. You are now ready to start using Mulesoft Anypoint Studio with the cloud connector tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.